Hey guys, Heather here with Real Estate Concierge. Benjamin Franklin once said, paraphrasing of course, the beauty of owning a business is all the good you get to do in your community. But before you can get to that stage, you gotta set the darn thing up, right? Well, this is a webinar quickly to teach you guys step one in setting up your business entity. This works for anything, an LLC, a series LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, incorporated, a LP, whatever. You got to start with this one step, okay? And this is what you do. You got to name it. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is and it isn't, but it actually could take a lot of time because you see, obviously businesses can't be named like the same thing, right, all through the state of Texas. So you have like ownership rights of that name, obviously. I know that concept isn't probably strange to you. You probably understand that. But you might have to go through a few different names to find the winning fit, okay? Kind of like setting up an email address. It's a very similar process. If somebody else already owns it, you're out of luck. So what you do is you go to the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts. We will send you this web address in this comments section below this flash webinar. So you can click on that and you can start searching for your names and you can see if it pops up or if it doesn't. If it pops up, obviously it's taken. If it doesn't, you have a shot, okay? So start there. Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts has all the access to the names registered in the state of Texas. And then you just play around and then you find a name that fits, and then you're going to hop over to the Texas Secretary of State's website, and then you're going to read the FAQs for how to set up your entity. You can go about this one of two ways. You can hire someone, which is what I do because it's something I don't want to screw up, and I hire a lawyer and they do it and they pay the state filing fee of about $300, and then they fill out and do all the paperwork for me. But again, my job is I've got to pick the name and give them the name. Okay, so do your homework, go to the Comptroller website of Public Accounts and look and see your name search, and then pay the lawyer to do it, or you can pay $300 to the Texas Secretary of State for the filing fee for their certificate of formation, and you can do it on your own. Okay, your choice, but start your search there. We hope this helps, and welcome to business ownership. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.